Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. We are still on the series of quadratic equation, and today we have an application problem on the board. The question says, a company installs solar panel in its premises to reduce its electricity cost. The monthly savings on electricity in dollar is molded by the equation S equals to 200 plus 50x minus 2x squared, where x is the number of months after installation. At what time will the savings on electricity stop increasing? Find the maximum savings. Now this is the equation given to us. It says x, which represents savings in dollar, is equal to 200 plus 50s minus 2s squared. Now comparing this equation with the general quadratic equation, we have that our a, which is the coefficient of s squared, to be minus 2, which is this, and our b, which is the coefficient of x, to be 50, and our c, which is the constant term, to be 200. Now the nature of this graph, the graph of this equation will look like this. Since a is negative, it's going to take a n form, as we have discussed in our previous classes. It's going to take a n form. So the graph will look like this. So to know the time when this savings will stop increasing, we'll look at how the graph is formed. It goes like this, it increases like this in this to the maximum height, and then it starts depreciating or falling down. So at the maximum height or maximum level, we'll say that the curve stops increasing. At the turning point, we say the curve stops what? Increasing. Good. Now this point, which is the turning point or the maximum point, is what we call our point of symmetry, our equation of symmetry. And that equation is, remember, here is x for savings, and here is s for monthly in months. Okay, so we'll say that x at this maximum point is equals to 2, is equals to minus b over 2a. Now substituting these values into this, we'll get the time in months. So this gives me minus b is minus 50 over 2 bracket minus 2, and that gives us minus 50 over minus 4. Minus 50 over minus 4. Remember, we are substituting the values for a and for b, a and b, into this equation. Now this is the line of symmetry, equation of symmetry, and this equation, the point s is at the maximum height on this curve. Okay, so 50 minus 50 divided by minus 4 gives us 12.5 months. So it will take 12.5 months for the savings on electricity to stop increasing. Next, we'll find the maximum saving. Now the maximum saving is the corresponding value of x at this point of symmetry, the corresponding value of s, savings. So at that point of symmetry, the corresponding value of x is giving us S is equals to 4AC minus B squared over 4A. So plugging this, we have 4 times minus 2, then our C is 200 minus 50 squared all over 4 bracket minus 2. So this gives us S is equal to, so you can press this with your calculator. This is 4 times 2 is 8 minus 8, because here is minus 2, and then minus 8 times 200 is minus 1600 minus, then this gives us 2500, 2500 over minus 8. 4 times minus 2 gives us minus 8. Now when you punch this, when you press this with your calculator, this will give us $512.50. $512.50. So this is the maximum savings that the company will make. Okay, please like, share and comment on this video. Bye.